Hey everybody, Mr. Skoblicki here. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Google Classroom and how you can communicate with your parents directly through the classroom. So you want to go to People. Here you'll see a list of all the students that are enrolled in your class. Um, Next to them is a button that allows you to invite guardians. You should have a list of all of your students' guardian emails, and you'll just enter that in there, and they'll get an email sent directly to them to become part of your classroom. Once you have your parents connected to your classroom, they will receive notifications when you post assignments. You'll also be able to email all of your parents and guardians here with one click. So you don't need to use Remind or one of the outside apps if you don't want to. You can communicate with all parents directly here through your classroom. You can also select which parents you'd like to communicate with. And through here, you can also um, email your students. You can email all of your students at once, or you can select which students you'd like to communicate with. Hope you enjoy this new feature.